Hey family and friends, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Nicole, and I hope you guys are doing well today wherever you are. My old subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. My new family and friends, welcome to the family. Proud to have you. Welcome, welcome. So today on the menu, guys, I am going to be cooking. Let's see what it said right here. This is smoke herring fillet. And I don't like it, but my husband does. I'm cooking something else for me and the kids, for the kids and I. So I'm gonna show you guys how I cook this up. I'm gonna open up the package real quick. It has a strong, it's like smoke and some corn are salted. And this is how they look. These to me are like, oh my gosh. If I remember the fish, I'll tell you guys throughout the video, but that's how it is. It's greasy, as you can see. It has bones and everything. So I'm going to boil this. I'm going to boil this 2 times. And how you cook this, you cook it like how you're going to cook up saltfish or mackerel. So that's how I'm going to treat this today. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. Right, I might not do this whole pack, so I'll be back in a little bit. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Family and friends, that's how the water is looking after. This is just the first boil, so I'm going to pour this off and boil it again, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm adding to this. So I just want to show you guys what it looked like, just in case anybody wanting to know. Okay, family, so right here I'm showing you how it looked after it's boiled 2 times. It looked like that, and that's what I did with it. I just pick it apart a little bit with my fingers, not too much because I don't want it too small. So just break it apart like that. It's very easy. Just like that. The fish that it remind me of is called sprat. I don't know if you guys know sprat. They're like little fishes with a lot of bones. Oh my god, I fry those and just eat them with the bones and everything, and because the bones are so tiny. Okay, so just like that, that's how I do it. Just like to pick it apart. Y'all, I do not like this, and I'm being nice. My husband love it, but I don't like it. So that's all set. That's how it look. Just like that. So what I'm gonna do in this same pot, I'm not even much gonna wash my pot because or use another pot. Make no sense. I'm not gonna take too much dishes tonight. So I have here 1.5 tomato, couple like a spring of green onion, pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, had like a couple slices. You guys know my ginger garlic mix, and a quarter of an onion right here. So I'm gonna saute all this up, and then I add in the red herring, the smoked herring. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so sorry for the one hand again today. Like I said, on the tripod. Everything in. And coffee that up. Everything's wet. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the black pepper. like that. And then I'm going to add in the red herring. And I'm going to add some more oil to this. And you guys know it's Babe. Babe on deck today. And like always, Babe always on deck. Babe always working with coconut oil. And let this cook up for about 5 minutes. Everything come together and I'll be back. Okay, family and friends, this is how it's looking. And I am done. And next time you guys see me, I will be plating. But yeah, that's how I cook up my red herring for my hubby. So next time you see me, I will be plating. Okay, family and friends, he said, babe, don't worry about putting anything, just put in a bowl. So here it is, Cookup herring, smoked herring with dumpling and yellow yam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, that like button, and also that share button. And don't forget to protect yourself and your loved ones. And until next time, my family and friends, love you guys. Bye.